Hello and welcome to News Bharati. Today we are going to talk about upcoming Uttarakhand Assembly elections. Uttarakhand is a state which it's a unique state because if BJP loses in Uttarakhand, it would be completely on BJP and BJP's leadership. Because in last 1 year, less than 1 year actually, BJP changed chief minister twice. So in March 2021, BJP changed their almost 4 year of chief minister, that was Trivendra Singh Rawat. The names are very confusing. Trivendra Singh Rawat, he was changed in March 2021. Then from March 2021 to July 2021, there was another chief minister named Tirath Singh Rawat. Again, Singh Rawat is common. In July 2021, that Tirath Singh Rawat was again changed, and now from July 2021 to the upcoming elections, there is Pushkar Singh Dhami. Now, in this very chaotic situation, if BJP, the trust, the amount of trust that people of Uttarakhand had in BJP and BJP's leadership has diminished rapidly, because this decision making shows that BJP does not believe in their own state leadership. Because of all of this, if BJP loses, and I am deliberately saying if BJP loses, it would be BJP and BJP's leadership's doing to lose a state like Uttarakhand. Now, why I am saying that? BJP got 57 out of 70 seats in Uttarakhand in 2017 assembly elections. That's a huge number. Usually in a state like Uttarakhand, especially particularly if you are talking about Uttarakhand, before this 57 figure, all the parties who ever got majority in Uttarakhand assembly, they were in their 30s. So BJP got majority with 36 seats, somebody got with, Congress got with 37, 38. That was the majority mark for everybody. Of course, 36 is the majority mark because there are total 70 MLAs in Uttarakhand assembly. Now, 57 was a huge number. It's not just 57, but 46% votes is again another huge number if you are talking about the percentage of votes. It's not just 2017. If we talk about 2019, BJP got 60% votes. 60%. Of course, they got all 5 Lok Sabha seats, but they got 60% votes. That's a huge victory. Even the margin of victory was about 27%. Usually, before 2014, parties would win a state like Uttarakhand with 27% of vote. Here, BJP's margin with Congress party was around 27%. That's a huge victory. They swept Uttarakhand like nothing else. In such a state, if BJP loses, it would be about their leadership. Now, why they still cannot lose, why it is still difficult for BJP to lose? Uttarakhand has high upper caste Hindu population. As we all know, especially since 2014, upper caste Hindus have been voting for BJP en masse, especially in Hindi heartland. Now, if we track this same line, in UP we have seen that 80% or 90% of upper caste population has been voting for BJP in 2014, 2017 and 2019. Similar picture is there in Uttarakhand. Of course, it's not as high as 80% because as I said, the upper caste Hindu population itself is way too much in Uttarakhand. Compared in any other state, upper caste Hindu population is around 20-25% at the most. In Uttarakhand, it's about 50%. Because of that, if BJP gets around 60%, 70% of that 50%, and then some other OBC and Dalit votes from Hindu population, BJP sweeps it like they did in 2019 when they got 60% of the vote. There was one particular issue which was troublesome for BJP when the Trivendra Singh Rawat, the one who was chief minister for 4 years, not the other one, Tirath Singh Rawat. Trivendra Singh Rawat government enacted a law which basically said that all the temples in Uttarakhand would be state property. We all know that Char Dham is in Uttarakhand. Temples have their not just religious, cultural influence on Uttarakhand, but it has its political influence as well. Because of this decision, especially the Brahmin community, the pujaris of Uttarakhand, they were quite pissed at BJP, especially Tirath Singh Rawat government. Now, since Pushkar Singh Dhami is there, he reversed that decision. He actually went to Badrinath temple, he talked to all the priests, he convinced them that such thing won't happen, this was a bad decision, we will not do that again. And as it seems right now, this situation, this crisis has been averted, but there is some disillusionment with, especially with Brahmin population in Uttarakhand against the BJP government. If BJP can manage to bring all those voters back to BJP's fold, then as I said, BJP may not face any real trouble in a state like Uttarakhand.